Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine in this situation. Just stay home and stay safe. So let's start a video today, students. Now this video is for the ones who have already given their graduation and they are waiting for their masters or they are waiting for their post-graduation admission process. Now you might have doubt as to how your admissions will be done. When you were admitted into graduation, the situation was fine enough. You had produced the marks of your board results and you got admission into your college level. But this time, since you are opting for post graduations, how are admissions going to be conducted? Now, there are various universities or colleges which used to take your online examinations and offline examinations also. Online examinations, by that I mean you had to go to the college, sit down, and they had to provide you with a laptop, or you were asked to go to the computer lab, and examination had to be conducted within 30 minutes or an hour, and marks were considered on that basis. There were various other colleges and universities who used to take offline examination. You had to appear on a particular date after filling out the application form, and you had to go to the college, give the examination, marks had to be calculated on that, and after that your admission procedure would start if you had qualified for this. But this time, since you already know the situation is quite different from the normal time, we are saying this is as new normal, so admission process is also quite different. Whatever marks you have got in your graduation level, the total will be considered, that is the CGPA and the SGPA will be considered. All your internal assessment marks will be considered. Now, if you think your internal assessments were not important and you haven't opted for it, you haven't given them, then definitely you were not taking the correct decision, because since the situation is not very normal in these times, I will say you, internal assessments, your SGPA, CGPA, all of them are very, very important. They are being considered. Now, there are various universities who are considering 75% weightage from your graduation marks and 25% weightage through your examination that is being considered. Now, you will say me, what kind of examination are they conducting? After you are selected in the first merit list, they are sending you email or giving you calls for the next admission procedure, that is for the next 25% you have to qualify in that. They are sending you a link through your email. There you have to sit down, just for the competitive exams, as the procedure is, it's the same for this. They are sending you link, and within the stipulated time you will have to give the answer. There is no negative marking for this, but if your answer is wrong, you will be given 0, and if your answer is correct, you will be given a +1 for your score. So based on that, whatever marks you are getting, 25% weightage will be considered. There are various universities who are conducting personal interview. Now, personal interview is conducted by many of the universities for the post-graduation level. They are sending you a link through the Skype account or through the Zoom Meet, Google Meet account, and you have to appear on the specified time with proper marks and your certificates, whatever is required. And they are asking the head HODs, the head of the departments, are asking you questions. Easier ones definitely are asking you questions on your specified subject that was already taught to you in your graduation level. So if you are successfully answering them, you score a better percentage and your seat is confirmed in your desired university or desired college. But if you fail to do so, I'm not sure what is happening, but definitely I'm sure that is not a good sign. They are not asking you one question, definitely 5 questions are being asked to each and every candidate, whoever is appearing for the personal interview. Now this I'm talking about the post-graduation level. But there are various other universities also who are not considering any kind of personal interview, no weightage, only your graduation marks is being considered. So you are a lucky one in that scenario if you're opting for a university where there is no examination or nothing is being considered, only your graduation marks is being considered. So that's a very good one if you have opted for this. But I know Presidency University is taking personal interview. Calcutta University is depending only on the graduation marks. There are various state universities, Delhi University, and various other, Chandigarh University, Kurukshetra University. These universities are depending only on your graduation marks, that is SGPA and CGPA. So once your graduation results are out, you can apply for your master's degree and you can opt for it. Another thing that they are doing is open book examination. They are sending you question papers. Few universities are doing this. They are sending you question paper through your email. A registered email had to be given to your university, and they are sending you question papers through the email, which you have to resubmit within 3 hours. Now this is kind of open book challenge. Now questions that they are asking is all application based. You will not find any kind of answers that is there in the book. All the questions are asked on the concept. So whatever is your concept, if you are good at it, then definitely you will be able to answer the questions. But there are sums, there are practical questions where you will find no relevance from the book. So even if you open your book, Google out the answers, you will not find any definite answer to the question that is provided. So there are ways that they can formulate to take up the admission process. Just don't depend on your graduation marks. Prepare yourself for the entrance exams that they are considering. Various universities have their own entrance examinations. Few have been cancelled due to this situation. Few are giving links where you have to give the examination based on an like a competitive mode within a stipulated time. But few are even sending you question papers which you have to fill it up. You have to write the answers on pen and paper and scan them and send them back, resubmit actually, and your marks is being calculated on such basis. Definitely weightage to your graduation marks is being given, but that differs. Universities or colleges which are taking examinations, most of them are taking examinations because it's a post graduation level, and they just cannot rely only on this graduation marks only. So definitely they are taking examinations, but the ones who are not taking examinations, weightage is given to the graduation marks. But the ones who are considering the marks of this graduation as well as taking examination, 75-25 weightage is being given. Few universities are taking 80-20 weightage, that is 80 is to 20, 80% on your graduation and 20% on either the interview or the link or the examinations, whichever is being conducted. Now, just before this, they had decided to take offline examinations for post-graduation entrance examinations. But since situation worsened and it did not come to any better position, they have cancelled out this decision of taking offline examinations. But few students considered that offline examinations could have been better. They would have scored a better percentage and the seats would have been confirmed in the college. But as the situation is, we have to rely on that. We cannot just hope things will happen according to your wish. So definitely whatever marks are being given for your graduation, you can rely on that, and your master's degree or your post graduation admissions will be based on that. So that's how post graduation admissions are being taken. And whatever I know, maximum is being taken through online mode. Examinations are being taken, and few non-lenient ones are depending only for your graduation marks. So that's all. I hope you will be getting your chance in your desired university or college that you're opting for. Just go through Google, search out these colleges that are there, because time to time decisions are being changed. They are changing their admission criteria, so everything is being revised again and again. So stay updated, Google it out. Contact the college or the universities that you're opting for, fill out the application forms, and let's hope for the best. So that's all for today. Safe, stay happy, and all the best for your career. I just hope wherever you dream to take admission into, you get your chance there. All the best. Ending my video here. Thank you.